Before an agent can act inside a regulated environment, someone has to answer one question. Where does the data go? With roster, the answer is nowhere, because roster runs inside your infrastructure and never phones home. Roster is self-hosted, always. It ships as a single container with embedded storage, no external database, no vendor cloud holding your data. It runs on-prem, in your private cloud, or in your own public cloud account, your choice. It doesn't transmit usage, telemetry, or directory data back to us. License capacity is counted locally, inside your own deployment. And because the model is bring your own, roster can run fully disconnected from the public internet, air-gap capable, paired with a model endpoint inside your network. Roster reads your directory, Microsoft, Entra ID, Okta, Google Workspace, Workday, LDAP, or CSV, and it never writes back. Nothing is replicated to us. Storage, it's minimal by default. Raw provider payloads are never stored, only the canonical fields it needs, like display name and email, and sync is cache only. It refreshes records you've already attached. It doesn't crawl your whole directory. Every credential in roster is bounded by one formula. Key scopes intersected with owner rights, intersected with resource rules. A scope can never elevate someone beyond their own permissions. Human sign-in runs through your identity provider, Entra, Okta, SAML, Google, or generic OAuth. API and MCP access run on scoped keys, issued per integration, revocable at any time. 3 roles, admin, project owner, member, plus per project ownership. So IT doesn't have to be the bottleneck for every routing decision. Delegations, coverage for absences, are runtime overlays. They reroute who can act without ever rewriting your directory, and every delegation is fully attributed. 2 observability surfaces give you a durable trail. Audit events record who did what, logins, key changes, every project, participant, and delegation action, append-only. Model runs record every call the resolver makes to your chosen LLM, provider, tokens, cost, latency, no black box decisions. You control what's retained at the field level, actor identity, query text, every result field, and for how long independently per data stream. Nothing is kept by default that you haven't chosen to keep. Test mode lets you dry run a resolution without touching the live audit history. So you can validate before anything counts as a governed decision. Rate limiting caps requests at every layer, by IP, by actor, and on LLM calls specifically. Your infrastructure, your model, your directories, your retention policy. Roster slots into the controls you already operate because it never leaves your perimeter to begin with. Start for free at rosterresolve.ai.